Hello friends, this is Parikshit and I am Savan from Kids Fun Learn Club, and today we are going to draw Parikshit's favorite thing. You know what is that favorite thing? He loves to eat ice creams, but his mom does not allow him to eat ice creams. And if he draws this one today, I will make him eat an ice cream today. Do you want to eat ice cream?
No.
If yes, then you will have to come. I am starting the drawing. If you don't come, then you don't get the ice cream.
Okay.
You have to finish by the time I finish.
Then they'll get.
Yes.
Oh, wait for me.
And you have to make it nice also.
What?
Only then you get the ice cream.
Because you think I'm not able to do kya?
Yes, you're never able to. In the ice cream scoops. 3 scoops of ice cream.
Didn't that was nice?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's okay. It's okay. I will have a smiling face of Parikshit when he gets to eat the ice cream. This is how he looks. And with his 2 teeth. Broken teeth.
Your teeth are when they are. First, your teeth are also broken.
When I was small.
Yes.
Yeah, my ice cream bowl is ready. Fair friends, if you love the drawing, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the rate Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club, and you can win some exciting goodies.
Good days.
Have a good day. Bye bye.